Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo A78 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to make Bluetooth connection in your phone Oppo A78 5G. First of all, in your phone, go to the settings. Then go to Bluetooth and just turn on Bluetooth. And available devices will be showing. In the another device, to which you are connecting to your phone, connecting your phone, just turn on Wi-Fi too. Okay, just bring another device and turn on Bluetooth. Just long press Bluetooth here, and now Bluetooth signal will be available. Click on refresh. Both devices should scan other device each other. Okay, this is A78 and this A78 is just scanned this phone. Okay, that signal is showing here. Also this phone is showing the Oppo A78 5G. Okay, this is signal name. Okay, that is your device name. If you have changed your device name, that changed name will be showing here. Okay, actually I have changed device name in this phone, so this changed name is showing here. Okay, actually this is not Vivo, Oppo. Just for the sake of use, I have changed this device. I have already changed this device as Vivo V20 2021. Okay, just click on this signal, Bluetooth signal, and it will send the pairing request. Click on pair here, and it will be pairing. Just wait. Yes, it is connected. Okay, so in this way you can easily make Bluetooth connection from your phone to other device or other Bluetooth enabled headset or Bluetooth enabled watch or any other Bluetooth devices. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.